Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and check out this article. How exciting is it? I mean, how quickly can things change within the space of literally 72 hours? I mean, we've had a massive price rise in XRP. We've got articles like this coming out because today is a great day. Now, we knew that April 6th was a very, very important day, and it couldn't have gone any better today in regards to the SEC versus Ripple, because XRP, Ripple have been granted access to those documents. So if you do like these videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We do videos of giving you my opinion, my research, and then I want you to go away and see if we can both come back and have the same feeling about this. So if you've been in XRP over the last 72 hours, I salute you. If you've been in XRP since 2017, wow, it's incredible what's happened. Today, the biggest news is that we now have access. So Ripple have access to the exact documents that SEC had when it came to Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is really important because SEC deemed Bitcoin and Ethereum that they are not a security. And so the Ripple lawyer said, we want access to them, and they now have access to it. So, which is why articles like this are now starting to come out all over the world. Is it the end? Is a game over for the SEC against Ripple? Very exciting, very, very exciting. But that's not all I got for you. So XRP surpasses $1 for the first time since 2018. And obviously what's behind the rally is that there is now, I mean, from a fundamentals and technical point of view, of course, there was, this was coming. But really, it's the strong confidence that this lawsuit, that Coinbase, that everything will come Ripple's way. It's momentum building that the case is going to settle, exchange is going to get back, and so people around the world are trying to get in under $1. So if you have been able to get yourself in under $1, do let us know in the comments. I would love to know at what price you got in, at what price you're thinking of getting out. It's really fascinating to me what you guys do and how you feel, because I've never had more messages and private messages than today from people all over asking me, what do I do? Is it too late? Has the ship sailed? Where do I go? And I'm going to bring you some of that today. So Yahoo Finance, everyone is talking about Ripple. Some people are saying that April 6, 2021 should be called the XRP Holders Day. I agree. What do you think? I think we're going to remember this day for a long time. So we're seeing, obviously, the price reached a peak, and now, it's it's creating a bull flag. So very much bullish, but of course what goes up must come down and retrace at some point. And so that's what occurred with that particular there. We got tweets all over the world saying, what did you do during coronavirus, Dad? And he says, I bought some XRP. What a legend. So we got so much momentum, so much momentum going on, so much positivity, so many XRP holders, telling everyone about it. And, I told you so, but relax, guys, we're just getting warmed up, it's all good. Now, on the quarterly chart, so, I mean, from a quarter point of view, this flag is super mighty strong. And what's really important is that it's gone above the previous quarter and it's actually pushed forward. And this will continue to happen. But I want to show you this because this is just the first quarter block of minimum another 3 blocks to come. So plenty of time left to tell people that you've been telling for years to get into XRP, to tell them about XRP. So what's going on? Well, what we're about to see here is that the price is retracing at the moment. And of course, we could go down to as low as 85, maybe even touch 80 cents before we push back up. So it's really important to know that. I want you to know that because, I don't want you to think, oh no, this is another panic pump and dump. This is no pump and dump. There is no no telegrams, no groups, no cults, and nothing. This is happening. This is real. But there is retrace, and of course there has to be. So 80, 85 cents, and then we're going to push forward and then break the previous high that we recently made, and then keep moving to the all-time high. That's where we're heading. So from a price point of view of where we are right now and what it looks like, we are, like I said, going to go down to 80, 85, 88, somewhere around there. Then we're going to trade sideways under $1, and then we're going to push forward to above what we did just hours ago, $1.20, $1.25, and then keep growing and keep building the momentum. And I want you to be prepared. But as always, I'm not a financial advisor, certainly no financial advice, but I want you to know what's going on and be informed in at least the way that I see this going. Then what we need to do is we need to get ready for wave number 3, because it is coming. So huge momentum is building, and now with Ripple gaining so much momentum in this lawsuit, I've always pushed and I've always said that a settlement is coming. That's what I believe. I believe a settlement is coming, and it's coming in the not too distant future. And so wave number 3 is going to push us beyond $3 to, we're going to go way past that. We're going to like 12, 15. Then we're going to have a retrace to as low as 4, and then push forward to 26 and beyond. And the reason I bring you this is because I don't want you to sell early. If you've been waiting 4 years and it hits $1.20, $1.40, even $2, and you sell, and then you find that as we push forward into July, into August, into 2022, you see these price tags, or at the very least, do it for the crypto serpent. Keep a portion of your XRP. Don't sell all of it. Keep some and just keep it in the background and just let it grow. Because it will grow. So what we're doing right now is a massive cup. It's going to be huge. And then you know what? The repercussions of it, the spike in price momentum of it is going to be absolutely legendary. So I wanted to bring you this about where we are, where we're going, what you can expect as far as the pullback, some of the key aspects of this pullback, 80, 85 cents, maximum 75 cents before we keep pushing forward. And I'll leave you with, we are going to be pushing forward. I have absolutely no doubt in my mind. And for those of you that have been holding strong for so long, congratulations, because your patience is going to be rewarded. And I wanted to bring you this because what I don't want is I don't want you to sell short. I don't want you at $2 to cash out all your XRP. I do believe in taking profits, absolutely. And I do believe that if this thing does not make you sleep at night, if you're worried or you got a big bag and it keeps you up at night, then perhaps maybe the best thing to do is to, take the profit, sleep well at night, because I know some of you are obviously concerned, like you're holding some very good profit right now and you would hate to see that go. So always do what's right for you. Don't listen, to myself or to others on the internet, and I do mean, and I always, mean the best for my followers and for my subscribers. And while some of us are going to ride this wave and we're going to be brave and take a huge risk in holding in the $2, $5, $10, $20 mark, there are risk and elements to that. And if you don't feel like doing that and you're holding some really, really good profit right now, then cashing out is absolutely fine. There is absolutely no problem with that. At the end of the day, we must remember what happened in 2017, the impacts it had on the market, and how everyone had so much money and then overnight they had nothing. So taking profits is great. Don't be too greedy. More importantly, look after your mental health in this, because if you have a full-time job and this keeps you up at night, or you constantly thinking about this and it impacts other areas of your life, then it may not be worth it. So take everything you see on the internet with a pinch of salt. And just remember to always do your own research and come up with your own conclusions. And at some stage, you have to draw the line and say, this is where I take the profit. This is what I'm happy with. And no matter what happens next, I'm happy. Thank you so much. Absolutely a privilege to be with you, to share this with you. And I look forward to see you on the next one.